In this episode, I will be installing a sound decoder and a stay alive in my new network rail class 08 by Graham Farish. Stick around. Hi, and welcome to a new episode. I have had this locomotive for a few months now, but rarely ever used it because I was not sure if I wanted to use a sound decoder in it, which I still had to purchase, or not. I didn't have a spare next 18 decoder, so I just let it sit there and never used it. But recently I took the decision and I bought a sound decoder for it. So in this video I'm going to show you how I installed the sound decoder, and I also installed keep alive or stay alive in it, whichever way you want to call it. With this short wheelbase, I found that without a stay alive, you will suffer unimaginable pain trying to keep these things running. So, a stay alive is a necessity in these short wheelbase locomotives. So, I'm going to move the body and I'll get back to you. As you can see, this came in DCC ready mode and has a blanking chip. I will remove this and I will install this decoder. This is the Zimo MS590. It comes with an Next 18 connector and also has soldering tabs for the Stay Alive. This is my go-to race DCC Kung Fu series model number 871007, which I use in all my 08s so far. It is easy to wire because it's just two wires which are connected to these two tabs on this particular model of sound decoder. Under normal circumstances, you would just plug in the decoder like I just did. Very simple, just one click. Put the body back on and change the DCC ID to your choice, and Bob's your uncle. That's it. But I need to install my stay alive, like I said before. And to do this, I first have to remove the cab from the body. This is simply done by sliding the cab off the main body and from the grooves you can see in the image. And this time we're going to mill out all that dashboard there to make room for the stay alive. Using my Dremel, I milled out all the material that I needed. Warning, this is not exactly a job for the faint-hearted, but it takes some guts to stick your Dremel in there and start milling away. After some filing to clean up the carnage I made with the Dremel, I test fitted the Stay Alive in place and eventually slipped the cab back into position, as you can see in the image. The next step was to solder the two wires from the Stay Alive to the sound decoder. I showed you which wires go where on the on this particular model of sound decoder in the images before this. When I finished this, I put the body back on and placed it on my programming track and configured the ID to my personal needs.